Alright, this one goes out to Steve. This request from all the way over in Australia. Little satisfaction. This one's for you, buddy. We'll miss you. Watching my TV, and a man comes on and tells me how white my shirts could be. But he can't be a man 'cause he doesn't smoke the same cigarettes as me. Oh, I can't get no, 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 no. Hey, 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 that's what I say. Can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no girl reaction. 'Cause I've tried, and I've tried, and I've tried, and I've tried. I can't get no, I can't get no. When I'm riding around the world, and I'm doing this, and I'm singing that, and I'm trying to make some girl who tells me, baby, come back maybe next week. See, I'm on the losing streak. I can't get no, 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 no. Hey, 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 well, that's what I say. I can't get no, I can't get no, no, I can't get no satisfaction, satisfaction, no satisfaction.